Alright, what's up everyone? This is my 2018 Harley Davidson Softail Deluxe. I did a few modifications already. I already posted my fishtail 33s. They're Bassani fishtail pipes, true duals. Also did the 2-up seat drag Predator 3s with double diamond stitch. Also did LA choppers, 16-inch 8 bars, steel braided lines, along with the Avon Grips. The crash bar, highway bar was XMT Moto. Didn't want to spend the $200 to $300 crash bar, since just in case I do end up dropping it, or it wouldn't hurt me as much to replace it. LA chopper risers. I did have the 3 inches. It was too tall, so now there are 1.5 inch risers. I love how it looks because it just goes with the bike. It looks more modern. Cool. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching.